Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to export all data in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do, once you are logged in into your Freshsales dashboard, come to the left-hand panel and click on this gear cog to access admin settings. Now from here, what I want you to do, on the bottom left, you'll see account settings. I want you to click on this. And then here again, you'll see an option that says account settings. I want you to click on this option. And then here on the right-hand side, you'll see export data. I want you to click on this one, select your time period. What I'll do, I'll just stick with last 90 days. And for all the data, what I want you to do is go ahead and choose the records to export. So I'll go ahead and have everything right here, toggle everything on, okay, because we want everything. And if you want, you can go a step further and just do until today. So that will cover everything, which you can only export once per day, this option. And then go ahead and click here on export data, and we got a success message. Data export initiated. So we'll come to our email. Usually it's sent in the spam section. So click here on spam. There you go. It has been sent. Then you can come here 0 minutes ago. Come here, click on this. Click here and it will automatically download a zip file, as you can see. And that is how to export all data in Freshsales.